say Obama ain't black, annoying the white house. You can talk about fucking drugs, I'll bring out the crack house.
Yeah,
and you see a straight Muslim, I'm gully from fucking jail. Been out here for years, so I guess I'm living well. I'm just eating all night, and we're eating all day. Went to Amsterdam and I fucked 5 bitches in one day. I ain't gonna lie, cuzzy, we don't pay for no pussy. I stay on the scene, and I keep on hustling kushti. And listen, I ain't rushing, I'm fuck the police. I see them around my bits, but they see me in the streets. I'm gully as hell. I can see me in the beast. I'll bring out more than guns. I'll just fuck your bitch in the street. You get me? Yeah, there you go. Where's the phone? I love you guys, man. And listen, you lot are Sharati, yeah? You lot are Sharati. You ain't Paki, no? Are you Arab? Ita wa ain't nothing yet. Ita wa ain't nothing yet. Yeah, that's what I meant. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. But study well in your school. If everyone does well, I'll get one of these every day. Yeah, just come back and proper shop aside. You're Arab, you don't need to eat, man. You can fly on your magic carpet, you get me?
Congo.
Yeah.
Guinea.
I know Guinea lived there before there. You speak French, innit?
Ah,
I mean, Bob.
No joke out here, guys. No joke. Type me in on the internet. I'll type in shit over the phone. You see my face come on.
Yeah, man.
I'm a student. You get me? Type that in. Yeah. Check what's in the car. You see me come up. You see me on the front page fighting 5-0. Fist on fist.
Yeah, man.
You get me? Anyway, head it over.
See you tomorrow.
I'll give you chocolate tomorrow. I'll give you some pussy tomorrow as well if you want it.
God damn,